why data bus is bidirectional. Now this has a lot of concept inside it: data bus, address bus, memory bus. First, let me show you the whole scenario. In any microprocessor or a system, you need to have a control bus, an address bus, and the data bus. So address bus is going to fetch the memory, okay, memory address. But data can go in both the direction. It can be saved, it can be fetched also. So address bus needs to be in one direction, unidirection. But because the microprocessor has to read the data from memory or input device for processing. And after processing, it has to store the data to memory or output device. That is why the data bus has to be bidirectional. Unlike the address bus, which is unidirectional in nature. I hope you got the idea. So this address bus and data bus, let us understand the difference between them. Address bus, basically they are wires, computer bus. So address bus, that is used to specify a physical address is the memory. In the memory is called the address bus. While the data bus, it is also a computer bus that is used to transmit data among the components. So it has to be bidirectional. That is what I am saying. Address bus is unidirectional and data bus is bidirectional. And the address bus helps to transfer memory addresses of data and the input-output devices. And the data bus, it helps to send and receive data. That is why it is bidirectional, sending and receiving both. Address bus, the width of the address bus will determine the amount of memory a system can address, while the data bus will tell you the width determines the data transferring rate. For example, you have address bus of 16-bit. So 2 to the power 60, that is 64K is the addressing capability, while 8-bit data bus means 8-bit microprocessor.